I bought 6 of Amazon's most hyped hair and beauty products. First up, Clinique's exfoliating scrub with salicylic acid, made for oily skin. The texture is gritty but not harsh, and it rinsed clean without that tight, stripped feeling. My skin looked smoother after one use. The downside, it's a scrub, not a spot treatment, so it's not targeted enough for active breakouts alone. A solid, reliable exfoliator. Wella's leave-in treatment for damaged strands gives impressive slip while detangling. My hair felt softer by day 2. My complaint: the scent is strong and lingers longer than I'd like. Past that, it's genuinely effective. This cult favorite Japanese cleansing oil melts even waterproof mascara without harsh rubbing and rinses with no oily residue. The pump can dispense messily if you're not careful. Otherwise, an excellent gentle cleanser. The big one. It uses airflow instead of extreme heat to curl and smooth, and results genuinely rival a salon blowout. Intuitive once you learn the attachments. The obvious downside is price, but if you style often, it can replace multiple tools. Combines OLAPLEX's bond-building tech with shampoo and conditioner. Visible shine and less frizz after one wash. Pricier than a standard duo, so more of a treat yourself buy, but results speak for themselves. Targets thinning hair and strengthens from the roots with a lightweight, fast-absorbing feel. Results take consistent weeks of use, so don't expect overnight magic. A strong long-term investment in scalp health.